Dari mana? Labu. Labu.
Any estimated figure of the damages so far in Sarawak?
No, we don't have the estimated figure. We will be collecting the data by tomorrow. We have directed all the residents to submit to us the damage, some other public facilities, the private facilities, so that we can see the extent of the damage. You are aware that the federal government is giving some fund. Then the Premier also have increased our allocation by 10 million. These are all in anticipation of a possible need to assist the people to relieve them from their problem. So we are at the moment we don't have the detail. We hope to get it tomorrow. So that as soon as we got it, the better, the sooner the better. So resident sibuk, this resident was sibuk now, enumerating barang yang besar. Okay?
Okay.